Mandibular angle. Masseter tuberosity. Mandibular foramen.
Yeah, please do it faster.
Mandibular canal.
It's also there.
Mandibular lingula.
This little lip hair.
Mylohyoid sulcus, or groove.
This.
Pterygoid tuberosity.
Mm-hmm.
Oblique line. Buccinatory crest.
Just
I'm not sure about that one.
no.
Retromolar triangle.
Yeah, it's
Coronoid process.
Mm-hmm.
Condylar process. Mandibular incisure or notch. Head of mandible. Neck of mandible. Pterygoid fovea.
That's correct.
Mental protuberance. Mental foramen. Mental spine.
So that's
Mental tubercle.
Mm-hmm.
Digastric fossa. Mylohyoid line. Mandibular torus.
Sure.
Sublingual fossa. Submandibular
no, sorry,
fossa.
sublingual there.
Oh yeah.
And
Submandibular
submandibular
there.
fossa. Ramus of mandible. Body of mandible. Pterygoid tuberosity.
Yeah, we did it.
We did it.
Yeah.
That's-
One more time. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that was mandible.